Okay, so basically to reline a copper water pipe that's got a pinhole, connect your compressor directly to the water pipe. And run the compressor just to get rid of all the water.
It's going to push the water out the pipe and then clean it a little bit as well.
This is linked to the basin as well. There's no more water here. So you're going to run your compressor for 10 minutes. Take your hot box in the control panel, you link it to the pipe after you disconnected the compressor. You then connect the compressor to the hot box. You put your control panel on and you let the elements inside the box heat up. So this is going to push dry air all the way through the line and it's going to heat up slowly. And it's set to stop heating at 80 and it'll slowly but surely dry out. Once you're happy that the pipe has been dried out and heated up, you're going to connect your oxy tube to the same flexi hose. Put the compressor on 8 bar. This is the mini oxy tube. It's only meant for those hard to get places, like under small basins or inside roof spaces. It's small enough so you can move it around through small spots. We've got larger ones for those larger jobs, but this will do the job that we need. Below your sandblasting grit, through the 20 more flexios. There's the sandblasting grit. The grit is about 1 millimeter square. Then sandblast the live flights, just to get rid of all the corrosion and gunk inside. Your gauge so you can see pressure, your air connection. We're going to connect those 20 more hoses. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm going to pressurize the tube and we're going to open this.
Good, it's all here.
Once it's sandblasted, you go and mix your Potable Oxi. Pour your epoxy in. Repeat the same process again. 8 bar, you blow the epoxy through, it'll then come out in the roof. Once the air has been running for 10 minutes and all the road epoxy is out of the pipe,
you want to just make sure air is flowing through all the points until the epoxy is dry enough that it's not running down the pipe. It's crucial that you keep air flowing and keep the pipe open until the epoxy is dry.
You're then going to connect your hot box once again and you're going to let the hot box run. And this is going to help the epoxy cure with heat. Because epoxy dries better with heat. Once the pipe has been cured with the Potable Oxi, it seals up all those pinholes and seals up all the leaks, and you've got a fresh pipe inside of the pipe, inside of the pipe, inside of the pipe.